The Honda Lane Keeping Assist System, LKAS, helps make for greater driving confidence and precision. LKAS provides steering input to help you keep centered in a detected lane. In addition, the Traffic Jam Assist feature extends these benefits to lower speeds and higher traffic situations. To activate the system, press the LKAS button on the right side of the steering wheel. The LKAS icon will appear in white in the digital instrument cluster. If traffic lane lines are detected, they will be represented in white as well. When the system is fully engaged, the LKAS icon and lane lines will turn green. When you use the turn signals, such as to change lanes, the system will be suspended until the signals are turned off. If you change lanes without using a signal, the system will issue a lane departure alert in the digital instrument cluster and vibrate the steering wheel as well. Note that LKAS operation may be suspended when the system fails to detect lane lines, the steering wheel is turned quickly, you fail to steer the vehicle, driving through a sharp curve, exceeding 90 miles per hour. If these conditions cease to exist, the system will resume operation. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.